Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people in which part of the world on a day. I wasn't sure if I was supposed to come and here and say this, but you know when like God just say, yeah man, say it, Adria, say it. Today I was at church, and after church this lady come up to me and she said, are you on Instagram? And I said yes. And she said, are you Mama Selva? I said, yeah. And she said, me I look on you and me expect say me is a old lady me I go see, but because you look so young, me not sure if I you. And I say, yeah man, me always get that. Me used to getting that. What she said to me afterwards really resonated with me. She said to me, I really enjoy watching your content, and me not even know if a content me create. Me know me just come on and chat things. This content creation thing. But she said, I really enjoy what you do and what you bring to Instagram. And I was humbled and I said thank you. But my people, let me tell you something. Sometimes you never know the impact you can have on others by the little things that you do. Some of you may or may not know, I started Mama Selva as a coping mechanism when my mom died, and it has really helped me so far. So if people out there even criticize when me do or not like when me do, me not care, because it has helped me and help my anxiety and everything. And I come on this today to say this to those people who are doing content and not sure about what you do, and sometimes you don't even want to post your stuff, because I'm like that too. Sometimes I say, Lord, I wonder if I post this, I wonder if this makes sense or whatever, I wonder if this makes sense. My people, it take a lot of galls and guts to come on social media, come do what you do, Sometimes I wonder if it's like a foolishness when I do email, Lord, I wonder if everybody go like this. But what I realize, my people, not everybody will like what you do. But there's always somebody out there who's going to like what you do. And if a half a smaddy or one smaddy, you still make a difference. Okay? So for those people who will stand on the sideline and criticize and say, Lord, I wish I do, I wear my do, that's a foolishness. Keep scrolling and go to the other person's content that resonates with you and that you can relate to. My people, sometimes you see people on social media and they're doing their thing and you don't know what they're going through. Me, I gotta be authentic. We don't know. There are days when I'm on here and I'm going through so much. But because this is my therapy, you understand what I say? Me come and yes, me talk and me do my foolishness and people laugh. But sometimes you just don't know the pain I'm feeling inside. Maybe just things that I'm dealing with. My people, be kind. Be gentle to the people who are on social media who are doing their thing. Because you don't know what they're going through. Remember Robin Williams? I don't know how much I want to remember that comedian. He always made others laugh, but he could not make himself laugh. Okay? And he ended up committing suicide. No, I'm not telling nobody to commit suicide. I'm just saying, you just never know what people are going through. So for that lady today who told me that my content brings joy to her, and for all of those other people where you enjoy my content and you support me, I love and I appreciate, As I said again, my people, be kind to others. You just never know what they're going through when them come on social media and attack. So stop criticize, because uno can do better. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, in which part of the world on the day.